Hi guys, how are you? My name is Julia and today we're going to talk a little bit about Dentitox. And Dentitox is basically a supplement for oral health and prevent dental decay. But guys, don't think it's magic, cause it isn't. You need to take the treatment seriously because later I'm gonna tell you a history and you're going to see. So, Dentitox restore your gums and teeth. Like a friend started having problems with dental decay and he was searching ways to help him recover it. After much research, he found reports of Dentitox and decided to buy it. He took the treatment seriously and saw the results of it. But my history, it's a little different. I decided to buy it, but I didn't take the treatment seriously. And I didn't see any results. So guys, if you want to buy it, use normally every day and don't forget to go to your dentist and doctor. What do you think it's better for you, alright? And guys, Dentitox have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D3, vitamin K2, xylitol, and essential oils. It's perfect, really. And it's really important you buy it on the official website because watch out where you're going to buy. It's only sold on the official website and I left the link on the description if you want to check it, alright? And the supplement contains only natural ingredients. And the inspiration for this supplement came from a secret recovered in ancient African tribe roots. It's only sold on the official website, how I said, so please be careful and watch out, okay? And guys, it's perfect, really. If you want to buy it, go ahead.